here I am discussing about this Purdue model for control hierarchy. So this model identifies levels of operations and defines each level. So the enterprise and operational domains are separated into different zones and kept in strict isolation via the DMZ, that is demilitarized zone. So now there are 5 levels are there. It is enterprise zone, DMZ zone, then operations support, the process control or SCADA zone, then safety zone. Okay, there are 5 levels are there. Now you can see that enterprise zone, what happens in this. In the enterprise zone, the enterprise network is there. So here it is going to operate with the corporate level applications such as ERP, then CRM, there is customer relationship management, then enterprise resource management, planning and document management, and VPNs, that is virtual private area network. So outside the world they can able to connect. Next level is that is a business and planning network. So here the IT services exists with this level and maybe including scheduling systems. So materials, how applications are going to be optimized, and planning systems, then local IT services such as phone, emails, printing, how it is going to carry out all these things, that it is going to be considered in this, and security monitoring is going to be there. Next level is what is industrial demilitarized zone. It is going to be in this DMZ is a demilitarized zone. So this provides a buffer zone where services and data can be shared between the operational and enterprise zones. It also allows for easy segmentation of organizational control. By default, no traffic should traverse in the military, that is demilitarized zone. As now you are saying that there is a lockdown is there, like that. So everything should originate from or terminate to that particular area, that is demilitarized zone. Then next is operational zone. Here operations and controls is going to be done in this. The level includes the functions involved in managing the workflows to produce the desired end products, and for monitoring and controlling of the entire operational systems. This could include production scheduling, reliability assurance, system-wide control operation optimization, security management, network management, and potentially other required IT services such as DHCP, DNS, and timings. Next level is level 2, that is supervisory control. So in this level, which includes the zone control rules, so controller status, control system, network or application administration, and other control related applications such as HMI, that is human machine interface, and historian. So basically these things are going to be kept for the supervisory model. In one particular location, everything that can be visualized. So, and based on that, the actions are going to be taken. The level 1, that is basic control. It is here. At this level, the controllers and IDs dedicated to the human machine interfaces, and other applications may talk to each other and run all of the control functions, as it is going to be that both are going to communicate and take the actions. Then in the level 0, that is process. So this is where devices such as the sensors and actuators are going to come into the picture. Machines such as drivers, motors, and robots communicate each with the controllers or The last one, it is a safety zone. Safety is critical, always it is going to be. So this level includes devices, sensors and other equipment based used to manage the safety functions of the control system. Okay, one of the key advantage of this designing an industrial network is that structured levels. As with the Prudel model is that it allows security to the correctly applied at each level and between the levels. That is the advantage of this. Okay. Okay, here how this OT network characteristics impacting the security. So as you know that IT and OT works together, networks are beginning to converge. So they still maintain many divergent characteristics in terms of how they operate and the traffic they handle. So these differences influence how they are treated in the context of security strategies. Now let us see that how this IT networks works. So in an IT environment there are many diverse data flows. The communication data flows that emanate from a typical IT endpoint travel relatively far. So the frequency traverses the network through the layers of switches and eventually make their way to the local or remote servers, which they may be connecting to directly. Data in the form of email, file transfers or print services will likely to make its way to the central data center, where it is responded to or triggers actions in more local services such as printer. So in case of email, the web browsing is there. The endpoint initiates actions that leave the confines of the enterprise network and potentially travel around the earth. But in case of OT networks, it is different. In the OT's operation technology environment, where there are typically two types of operations in traffic. That is, first is local traffic that may be contained within the specific package or the area to provide a local monitoring and closed loop control. This is the traffic that is used for real-time communication system. Second type of traffic is used for monitoring and control of the areas or zones for the overall system. Okay. Let me see that security protocols priorities. So integrity, authenticity and continuity, confidentiality. So security for the business world, so there is a legal regularities and communication commercial obligations for the protection of the data. So especially data is of the individuals who may